Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make eggs hatch faster and grow a garden. We'll cover the essential environmental factors, specific in-game techniques, and common mistakes to avoid. By following these tips, you can significantly reduce the time it takes for your precious eggs to hatch, ensuring a thriving garden. Get ready to boost your hatching efficiency and enjoy your new garden inhabitants sooner. Creating the right environment is crucial for quick hatching. Aim for a stable temperature, avoiding extreme fluctuations that can hinder development. Proper humidity is also vital. It prevents the eggs from drying out. Additionally, ensure your eggs receive sufficient light, as this often plays a role in their growth cycle. Keep them safe from any in-game pests too. To truly accelerate the process, leverage in-game mechanics. Many games offer items or buffs that can significantly reduce hatching time, sometimes by as much as 25%. Strategic placement of eggs near certain structures can also provide a boost. Remember to interact with your eggs often, as this can sometimes encourage faster development. Upgrading your garden tools might also indirectly help. Preventing delays is just as important as speeding things up. Never neglect your eggs. Consistent attention is often rewarded. Avoid any sudden or extreme changes in their environment, especially temperature. Make sure each egg has enough space to develop without being crowded. Finally, regularly check on their status to catch and resolve any potential issues quickly, ensuring a smooth hatch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.